Oh my gosh, Danny! My whole family is gone!
Yes. Now it is time for Operation The Floor is Lava to commence.
But Danny, that'll make the whole house a mess, and then I'll get in trouble.
You fool! Your family has disappeared. They will never return.
But what if they just left for a couple of minutes and then they're gonna be right back? Ow!
Pick up that pillow over there and throw it on the ground. Yes, yes! How does the destruction make you feel, boy?
That makes me feel great!
Excellent. Now throw something else.
Okay.
Ha 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 ha! The chaos has begun.